Like I said, it's been so good. Because everybody is enjoying themselves, everybody is fine. The atmosphere is very peaceful. They are orderly here, they are on queue. One after the other, they're going to cast their vote. And I think it's a civil responsibility. We have assured them that there's not going to be issues in Osun State. Forget about the social media noise everywhere. No. We have done necessary deployment to curtail any unforeseen circumstances in Osun State. We have told the people of Osun that they should be able to exhibit what we call them. We call them Ìpínlẹ̀ Ọmọlúàbí. So they should be Ọmọlúàbí. The virtues in them should come to play now at this point in time. There's no need for anybody. If you want to be a leader in a place, you don't need to kill, you need to destroy because you want to climb a throne. If you climb that throne, are you going to govern the dead? You can only govern the living when you are in a position. So there's no need for us to be wielding guns, cutlasses, and causing violence because I want to ascend a particular seat or throne. So we have told all the candidates, and I think they've signed this accord, that there will not be problem in Osun State. Because everybody is fine, we are smiling, and this is how it should be. Everybody wants good governance. Hence, the police officer wants good governance. They want good governance for things to turn around for better for all of us. And this is where we can start from. A journey of 20,000 kilometers starts with a first step. And this is where we are held today in Osun State to do this. I'm very sure that across the country, we're going to have peaceful exercise because we've done necessary deployment. By the time we have a clearer weather now, our area patrol will commence. We have about 3 choppers to man each of the 3 senatorial districts in Osun State. So far so good, there's no problem, and we don't envisage any problem. And in case anyone wants to have 2 or 3 heads, in the normal society, we always have deviants. So in case we have any deviant that want to commit trouble, we are ready for that person. We have what it takes to curtail everybody, size by size.
Yeah, I'm worried about the vote buying aspect of the if you witness what happened.
I didn't witness it in the meeting.
Well,
I saw in social media, I don't believe what they do in social media. I've seen cases where people will say I'm cruising. They tell me I've been kidnapped. It's a cruise. They are doing this, it's a cruise. I actually have challenged all the media outlets who are actually accredited to cover Ekiti election to give me the clips from their library, from their archives. If you have, give me. I don't want to judge Ekiti election based on what I see or what I've been seeing on social media. Anybody can come up now with this digital media to say that I'm cruising and say, yes, say money, they paid me money to vote, they bought me over. Anybody can use a cruise. You know the case of the girl in Abuja that's telling the whole world that she was kidnapped. At the end of the day, she came to apologize that she was not kidnapped. And we charged that to court in Abuja.